Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth audio delay on your phone. For that you can simply turn your Bluetooth off and then turn it on again, and after that what you can do is go and open your settings. Let's just go back, and there you can find the connected device. Open that and go down, and there you will find two options: disconnect and forget this device. Tap on this forget this device and repair on that. And you can also ensure, and you should ensure that your iOS is updated. To check, go on your settings and go to your general, and then go to software update, and if there is any remaining, just update your iOS, and that should help you out. If you have any questions or queries, and after that, go on your software update, and if you wait for a few seconds, and there you can see this update. You can update it right now or update it tonight, and I recommend you guys to do it tonight because it takes long time. And that is how you fix Bluetooth audio delay on your phone. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.